In this video, I will briefly explain what affiliate marketing is and its potential, and also how you can make passive income. Stay with me to find out. So, affiliate marketing, in a few words, is that you find an offer from somebody who sells an item or service. You get customers to buy this product, and in exchange, you get a piece from that value. That's called a commission. And this is it. No need to do any customer care, customer support, any money transactions, product returns, money returns, or anything like that. You just need to find the customer to do the purchase, and all the rest is done by those who actually sell the product or service, not the affiliate marketer. It's of low risk because you have nothing to lose. It doesn't require investment. Well, actually it does, but it's less than $10, so anybody can afford it. It is beginner friendly, and there are no particular skills required, so anybody can do it. But you need to be teachable. See what other people do and apply it yourself. There are many opportunities out there. My advice is to try and avoid these which earn you a few cents. Go for something that can give you hundreds or even in some cases thousands of dollars in one go. These are called high-ticket affiliate programs. So for example, let's say that you are an affiliate marketer for Amazon. There's nothing bad with them. They're doing a great job, but I have a hint for you. Let's say for example that you want to sell this microphone, which costs approximately $50 to $60. And your commission, on average, it would be in the area of $1 or $2. So in order to make a good income per day, you need to sell something like 300 to 400 microphones, which is impossible. Instead, you can select a high-ticket affiliate program that can earn you, let's say, $1,000 in one go. So if you manage to multiply that and make it recurring for one each week, let's say, in the end of the month, you end up having like $4,000. So that's a pretty good income, eh? So this way, you'll get passive income, and it can be done from home. You build something once that will keep you earning income, and then you keep earning and earning and earning forever. It's there online, 24/7, and it will keep earning income even when you are asleep. Isn't that great? Then, after a week, you build something else, and then you have income from two ways. The week after, from a third, and so on. That's where it gets interesting. So, this way, you have also the opportunity to work from home, which is something that I'm doing for the past 2 or 3 years. I'm the boss of myself. I have more quality time with my family. I can actually work from anywhere I want. It doesn't have to be home. I can go on holidays, and if I want, I can spend a minute or two checking and updating my business. I don't have to commute to a 9 to 5 job and get stuck in traffic, maybe. I can take as many days off as I want because I'm the boss of myself, remember? If you like this video, click the like button below and also smash that subscribe button in appreciation, and don't forget to ring the bell so that you don't miss any future videos like this and be the first one to know about. Also, don't forget that I'm here to help. Feel free to ask any questions below. If you need any assistance, I'll be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.